Alrighty guys, as you can see I got myself a new tool. Serpentine belt tool. Because to tell you the truth, I'm sick and tired of doing alternators on these Sunfires and Cavaliers and having to pull the belt by hand. And you might be wondering why I got it. Well, today we have a 97 Sunfire. It had a seized alternator, and to make matters worse, there was mice or rats or something that decided that they wanted to make a home in the engine bay. As you can see. So we managed to get the alternator freed up here, just by using a monkey wrench over there. Sorry guys, the lighting in here sucks. So now that I got that serpentine belt tool, I can actually put this belt on without pulling and breaking and doing whatever with my fingers. Okay, so I pulled her out, so at least we're working in daylight now. Still got a little bit left. So we got the belt on, and now we gotta take care of this rat's nest. It was a pun. Okay. I'm not funny. And now we're going to play process of elimination. We know that these two wires go down to the AC compressor, which we don't need, so we can get rid of those. And these two wires, yeah, two wires. These go to some kind of evap thing, I suppose. And I don't really think that we need evap, because we're going to be taking all that out, including the canister and all that. So I'll get just cutting some wires and then we'll see exactly what we have left. Everything's been removed, and by the way, before people start saying about how I'm cutting wires and the car won't run afterwards, I built enough of these cars to know what wires do run and what wires will cause a car not to run. We've got our two wires coming off the alternator right here, and it turns out, as you can see, these ones have been chewed through by your little rodent friends. So now we just reconnect and go from there. Okay, so we got all the, oh, I shouldn't say all, but both the wires connected there with butt connectors, and this thing's ready to fire. Good battery in it. We'll give her a shot. And I guess we will consider this a old start. Not really necessarily a cold start, but definitely an old start. When I got it, they told me it was sitting for a couple years, and just said if I can take it, to get rid of it. So I don't like the looks of that theft system light, but we'll try it. And it's going. Wow. Doesn't run the best. Everything's free down there. Oh, we got a big fuel leak. A little smoky in the Bandit. Right to the floor. So we will be doing brake lines. I'm sure we'll make a video on that. And just for the redneck test to make sure that it works, the alternator. And it shut off. So I guess all in all, that alternator is toast. We got both of our connectors connected and still not doing anything. As soon as I take the terminal off the battery, it dies. So I guess with that I'll leave you. Looks like we'll be doing an alternator swap on a Sunfire. Like I said, I've done tons of these swaps, so I got a few kicking around. I'm just too tired to do it today. We'll do it another day, make another video. And as always, remember, like, comment, subscribe, do everything.